I've been knitting in the round. This is a water bottle cover. I've cast off, and now I need to fasten this yarn off here. This does not look great, but I can make it look smooth and even quite easily. I look carefully at the stitches, and I'm going to follow the anatomy of the stitches. So here we're looking closer at the stitches. I've locked this last stitch here by coming through the loop. Now I'm going to look over here to find the legs of the next stitch, or the first stitch in that round. And I see these two legs here. I'm going to go under both of those legs like that. And I'm going to go back in through this last stitch of the cast off round. And then I'm going to make sure it looks even. You see how there's potential there? If I pull it up just right, not too tight, not too loose, it looks like a continuous row of stitches there on the cast off edge. And all I have to do now is fasten it, which I will do on the wrong side, and tuck in the ends on the wrong side there. And it will be a very neat, even, straight cast off edge.